Guys, hi beautiful Nono Obis, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are chilling well. Hope you guys are doing very good, guys. Today's video is a skincare video. Remember, this channel is all about beauty, vlogs, and entertainment gist. I've not done my entertainment gist in a while, but don't worry, it's coming along. I drop my videos every Mondays. Yes, guys, I can't do more than every Monday. I've tried to know if I can do more than every Monday, but guys, it's not possible. The kids, being a mom, taking care of these kids, taking care of the husband, taking care of the house, hey, also looking for money and other things, etc. Guys, it can't work. Man go break down, one go bye. Even this very Mondays that I'm doing this, I'm trying to bring out this video. It's just that it's something I'm determined to do, and because I find it very interesting for me, okay, doing YouTube videos and things like that. Like I told you guys, someone was asking me the other day, and I'll still say it again. If you don't have passion to do these things, like do this video I'm doing, you're not going to do it, because there are moments that you're down and it takes you a very long time to recover. You're not going to recover. The only thing that makes you to recover is because you have love for doing this that I'm doing. That's the only thing that makes you to recover very fast. Guys, in today's video, please, before I start talking another thing, just that one in normal vlog video, but let's go straight to the point. We're going to be talking about Fenty beauty skin product, the almighty Rihanna product. Yes, the almighty Fenty product. Okay guys, this is what I'm using at the moment. This is what I'm using, and I have not finished it. Okay, this is their moisturizing facial cream. Yeah, this is the moisturizing facial cream, and this is what it looks like. I don't want to waste my stuff. This is what it looks like. You wear it on your face, but I can't wear it on my face right now, but it's pinkish. The smell is okay, and it's not it dries off immediately, which is what I love. I don't love skin creams that facial creams that you use on your face and you kind of feel oily or you kind of feel hot. I don't know, I don't like them. I like the ones that immediately you wear it dries off on your face. Guys, I don't want to be mentioning prices in this video because it's not necessary. Just go to your Google or go to nearby shop and find out the price, but make sure you have money in your bag, okay, before you go check out the price. So this is just it. It is removable. You can refill it. Because of how expensive this particular product is, Rihanna and the associates made it in such a way that you can refill. Do you understand? Like when this one finishes, I can just bring it out like this, then just buy the refill and put it back again. You see, that is the way they made it, and it's actually very good because even the container itself, it's what making it to be expensive as well. So they made it they made it that way to be kind of affordable. Not affordable, but kind of, okay. And this one here is the almighty, what is this called again? I'm going to find out what it's called. Hold on, because it's no longer in the pack. This is called Watch Your Tone. Watch Your Tone. This is called Watch Your Tone. It's for removing dark spots on the face. It's written here. It has niacinamide. What does niacinamide does? It helps remove dark spots on the face. It's a niacinamide dark spot serum. Niacinamide dark spot serum. It's also cost, but like I said, I'm not here to be mentioning how much it costs. Just know the name is Watch Your Tone. If you're interested to try it, you can, and I would advise you should try it, okay. I'm still on the bottle, and after this whole thing, I'm gonna do a review about it. But the name is Watch Your Tone Niacinamide Dark Spots Serum by Fenty Beauty. So this is the serum, this is the moisturizer, okay, and this is the soap. You can see the packaging. Rihanna is not playing. This is the soap, okay, and this is what it looks like. I'm using it right now, so that's why it's a bit wet, and it smells so lovely. It smells so lovely. So this is the soap here. and I can use it on my face, I can use it on my skin. The reason for this soap actually is because it doesn't dry off your skin. There are so many soaps and that way you use after bathing, it kind of dries up your skin, and you need so much oil or moisturizer to kind of, you know, hydrate your body or something like that. But this particular soap helps your skin hydrated, so you don't need to waste so much time that you're trying to moisturize your body, putting layers and layers and finishing with oil. You don't need so much of it. And that is why I even started using Nivea body wash that is cost about I don't even know, maybe like 500 naira itself, or in Nigerian money, I don't know, but it doesn't cost, okay, because you're actually moisturizing and hydrates the body. You don't need to waste time putting moisturizer and finishing with oil on your skin because your skin is very dry. So this is the Whip Oil Body Cream Butter Drop. It's called Butter Drop. I usually a butter drops, trust me guys. When I'm giving you this review, I'm trying to be sincere about it. Like, I'm not painting words. This is what it is right now, because I've been on this, and this is what it is. It's almost finished, and it's very moisturizing. It has this oil. It's actually, you see the name Butter Drop, and that is what it is, period. It actually moisturizes the body to the top notch, like 100% moisturizes the body. Like, you feel your body very moisturized, you feel your skin very oil, like moisturizing, oil, fresh, you know. You're gonna just feel it. See, you're gonna feel it. You see it and you feel it as well. So the product is actually very nice. But what I don't know, if you can use it on kids. I don't know about it, because I know some children, there's some kids, their body are also dry. But because these things are done from natural sources, I think if you use it on your kids, I think it's not bad. But I have not tried it. But it would be nice if you want to buy it from any brand. Sorry, if you want to buy it from a cosmetic brand, maybe Sephora, Ultra, maybe just walk in and ask before you, whatever it is, okay? And I'm sure now that Rihanna has 2 babies, I'm sure the next thing on her mind is how to make a skincare for the kids, which Kylie has already done. But I'm not even interested in getting hers, because not because it's not nice, but because I just feel our skin is not the same. She's white, I am black, so I will actually patronize Fenty when she starts to do skincare brand for kids, which I know she would definitely do it 100%. That is her project now. It's just that we have not had. We're going to hear very soon, okay? I'm actually going to patronize her because I know she's dealing on skin like us, and that's why I even got this product from her, okay? So what is missing on this very product here, I'm missing the Fenty toner, which at the time I was buying this, it wasn't available, and I think it's available now, so I'll try to buy it. Fenty products are not cheap, so I'll try to buy it, okay? But for now, these ones are giving me what it's supposed to give me. I don't think Fenty has essence, body essence or whatever it is, but the toner is very recommended. I try these days to follow the normal routine: wash your face, tone, essence, treatment, moisturizer, SPF, and so on and so forth. I'm trying to do it. I'm not a routine person though. I am not a skincare routine person. I am very lazy with skincare routine. You see, I'm very lazy. In my cosmetic, where I have my skincare brands in, if I pack all of them inside that place, I won't use any one. So what I usually do is that the ones I am using, I just drop it on top, like, so when I just come into the bathroom to have my bath, I'm looking at it, like, it's like, you must rub me, oh, you don't try come out here without rubbing me. So that's the reason why I set it there. So it tells me if I'm walking into the bathroom, it tells me I'm here, oh. As I'm basing, I'm looking at it, I'm here, oh. And before I finish cleaning my body, I'm looking at it, I'm here. Like, it gives me more ginger to, like, know that, okay, when you finish bathing, this is the next step. If not, I won't rub anything. I'll just go out my dry skin and be going. Oh my god, I'm so you just recently I said I said trying to do all these things before. If I finish having my bath and I'm going to wear a short knicker, or I'm going to wear a short dress, I just take Vaseline, rub on that place that you're looking at. Other places that you're not looking at, trust me. possible I didn't rub anything there. One, I don't like the cream on my hands. I don't like it touching on my hands. I hate it. I hate creams touching on my hands. I don't like creams to touch me. When I finish doing that, I have to go and wash my hands, or I have to just find something to just clean it off. I don't like it. I just don't like it. So guys, this is just it. I'll come back after, I'll come back for this video when I am done using this product. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in my next video. Do have a lovely day. Bye.